In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use canvases in Slack. Whether you're looking to streamline your project planning or enhance team collaboration, Slack Canvas is a versatile tool that can help. We'll walk through each step so you can get the most out of this feature. To begin, launch the Slack app on your desktop, mobile device, or simply open it in your web browser. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your workspace. This is where you'll access all your Slack functionalities, including the Canvas feature. Next, let's locate the Canvas function. On the left sidebar, you should see an option called Canvases, or you might find it under Apps by selecting Canvases. If you can't spot it, don't worry. You might need to ask your workspace admin to enable or install the Canvases feature for you. This feature brings a lot of value to your workspace, so it's definitely worth enabling. Now that you're in the Canvases section, it's time to create a new canvas. Click on Create Canvas and a new canvas will pop up. Give your canvas a compelling title that reflects its purpose, something like Project Brainstorm or Marketing Plan. After entering a title, click Create. Your canvas is now ready for action. With your canvas set up, you can begin adding content. Think of your canvas as a blank slate that supports various elements. You can add text blocks to create headings, paragraphs, or bullet lists. If visuals are more your style, upload images or attach files directly to your canvas. For those who love to see data organized neatly, tables are a great way to visually arrange information. Additionally, links and embeds allow you to incorporate external resources like Google Docs or Figma files right into your canvas. Keeping your canvas organized is essential for clarity. Use sections or frames to compartmentalize different ideas. Plus, you can easily rearrange the content by dragging and dropping blocks. Collaboration is also made simple, with options to add comments or reactions, which helps in real-time feedback and adjustments. Once you've completed your Canvas masterpiece, sharing it is a breeze. Click the Share button located in the top right corner. From here, you can choose to share it with specific channels, direct messages, or make it visible workspace-wide. Contributors can view or edit the canvas based on the permissions you set. Real-time collaboration is one of the standout features of Slack Canvas. Team members can edit content at the same time, leave comments, suggest changes, and even react with emojis, making it interactive and dynamic. Finally, don't worry about saving your progress. Slack automatically saves changes, so you can focus on your creative process. You can revisit past versions or even duplicate canvases for new projects. With these steps, you're all set to leverage Slack Canvases for your next project. Happy collaborating!